Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel. On this channel, normally I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news and everything in the crypto space, but then the crypto market is generally down. And other things I do on this channel is I teach people how to make money online. There was a time I started how to make money online series where I said I'll talk about how to make money from YouTube and affiliate marketing. I made one video, I think like 2 videos, then I stopped. But right now I want to actually go back to that series seriously this time. I know I procrastinate a lot, but for real, I want to teach you guys how to make money online. But before then, I'm going to share my story of how I made my first $100 online. This was like a long time ago. How I made my first $100 online. Maybe this would inspire somebody to believe that yes, you can actually make money online. Maybe you have tried a lot of methods and they did not work. If you follow me on this channel, I would not just only teach you how I made my first $100 online. I will reveal to you every secret I have used to make money online and different platforms I've made money from. Right, I've made money from cryptocurrency, I make money on YouTube, I have a blog, I make money from blogging, and I also make money from affiliate marketing, particularly ClickBank. So the first $100 I made online was the first time ever I believed I could make money online, and that was what even made me quit my job and I focused on making money online full time. I made that money on ClickBank, an affiliate platform, an affiliate marketing platform. The name of the platform is called ClickBank. That was where I made that money from. And after then, within the account I made that money from, in fact, I did not make exactly $100. I made $200 in my first sale. Somebody bought a product, there was an upsell. With time, when you begin to follow me on this channel, I'll teach you guys what upsell is and how it works and everything. So to cut the long story short, I sold that product and the person bought other products. In total, the money I was paid was $200, and I never believed it. So when I went to change the money in Naira, then man, it was good amount of money. And from then, ever since then, I started making money online. Until today, I keep making money online. Even though last year I spent more time focusing on crypto. I built my Alpha Crypto channel. That's almost 10,000 subscribers. I started last year, but then I made over $1,000 on ClickBank with free traffic method. Like, I did not do any advert. A lot of people will lie to you that they make their money from free traffic. Free traffic is actually hard. I made money from free traffic. I've never done adverts. I don't even like doing adverts. I don't know how to make money with adverts. I literally focus on free traffic, and I have a particular way I make this money. So what I'll be doing to you is, I know people love believing when they see results, so I'm going to show you my result of how much I've made on my ClickBank account. Then I would now teach you guys step by step how I have been making money from ClickBank, all the secrets, all the method, all the shortcuts, how to promote it with Medium, Pinterest, TikTok, every other platform, YouTube particularly. So that is what I'll be doing on this video. Right, so let's go to my ClickBank account. Like you can see, my name is Victor for people that don't know me, so at least today you know my name. This is my ClickBank account. There was a particular time I made up to $280 at once. Sometimes $12, sometimes $46, $100, $96, $110, $196, $169. I was just making a free traffic method. I was promoting just one product. Then all this period, you see this period, I stopped promoting products. Then I stopped making money like I used to. But right now I want to start going back to promoting products. So in total I made $1,317. $1,370. This is another account, my ClickBank account, that got suspended. This was the first account I used in making money on ClickBank before I now created this account. This account was where I made that first $200. So then I made $1,317. Currently, if you want to calculate that money in current today's rate, let me go to calculator. That will be like over, let's see, calculator. That should be like over 1,300 and more. Give me a second, guys, please. $1,317. $1,317 times 5. Today's rate, it should be 5. I think 5, almost 590. But let's use 580, right? Let's see. That's almost close to ₦1 million, 763,000 naira. That was what I made. And the funny thing was, I did not spend one kobo. Like, I literally did not spend one kobo. I did the simple things, and that is what I'll be teaching you guys, like step to step. I made my first 763k online, and we are going to do it together. Like, every method I do, please go ahead and do it. It might take a while. This method will not bring results immediately. I'm not teaching you abracadabra. I'm teaching you step by step. It might take probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks for you to make your first sale. It can take 1 month, but once you start making that first sale, you begin to make money like that, and that is how it is. For a while now, I've not been making sales on Clickbank. You can see the last 2 months I just focused on crypto trading. Crypto trading made me very lazy. I stopped promoting affiliate products. So now I want to go back to promoting affiliate products, and I want to be teaching you guys just like the way I teach you guys about cryptocurrency, my process and how I do it. So what I will do is I'll create a playlist for this particular purpose, so that everything I do step by step you can actually learn. So the first thing you need to do is to create a Clickbank account. If you want to create a Clickbank account, it is difficult for you to create a Clickbank account from Nigeria, but a lot of people, have ways to create Clickbank account. You can go on YouTube and search for how to create a Clickbank account. There are a lot of tutorials on how to create a Clickbank account. Look at this particular one, create a Clickbank account in Nigeria. You can try various methods, and anyone that works. Once you create your Clickbank account, you can join me. We'll move to the next stage. And if you are not able to create your Clickbank account, I would still try to find a way to help you around it. You have to get somebody abroad that will create it for you. You might need to pay a little amount of money, right? But that being said, the first thing is to create a Clickbank account. If you need somebody to create abroad, I have a contact. The person can help you to create from Canada. That is that. Then after then, we'll now continue. The next video, I'm going to show you how I made my first $200 online with Clickbank. I used 2 traffic sources, YouTube and Twitter. This method I'm going to teach you. Most people don't know it. Most Clickbank affiliate marketers, they will tell you to promote on Facebook, Quora, and all those things. Yeah, those methods work, but a lot of people are doing it. I'll show you the trick and how I did this. All you need to do is to like this video. If you guys really like this video and you like it, and I see that there's a lot of likes in this video, I swear it's going to pump me, and I'll just be motivated. I'll start teaching you guys step by step everything. Just like the video, leave a comment, and just comment. Let's get this money. Let's make this money. Let's go. So I will know that you guys are ready for the game, and I'll begin to make videos on Clickbank and how to make money on Clickbank, right? So we'll be making content on Clickbank, content on crypto as well, and other places I make money from. Let's start this series together now that the crypto market is down before it bounces back. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another premium content.